Dr. B. Mahadevan, Assistant Professor and Head, PG Research and Department of Library and Information Science, Vellalar College for Women Autonomous, Dindal, Erode, Tamil Nadu. My topic of mobile-based library service. Mobile-based library service, mobile library site, mobile OPAC, circulation service, reference inquiry service, CAS and STA service, distribution of electronic resource, the alert service. Mobile based library service, library maps and floor plan, library news, event and blogs, mobile database, list of new arrivals, interlibrary loan service, book and article search, library hours. Mobile website, reference service, mobile friendly database, open access resource, QR code, location guidelines for float map, research or homework, videos, audios, image collection, social media, catalog, event, SMS service, library instruction. The example for library websites: mobile OPAC, search box, search type of option, author and title, call number and location, cover image, status of book. Mobile library apps, OPAC, online restoration, latest collection, e-thesis, e-journals, browsing log, inter, library service, directory, mobile website. SMS library alerts, OPAC, mobile online public access catalog, circulation, new title, user demandation citation, bibliographic, opening and closing hours library, renewal of a book, collection of the book, due and the account, last due. SMS notification service, due date reminder service, renewal request service, overdue notification service, request arrival notification service, new and event reminder service, new title notification service. Generate QR codes for mobile service, website URL, telephone number, Skype call, SMS message, email address, email message, contact details, digital business card, attendance tracking, event, Wi-Fi, many more. Next, text, UTP video, image file, PDF file, Google Map location, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, app storage download, iTunes, Dropbox. Thank you.